Today we will be learning how to make an agent in Cognidom. So we will show you how to create an agent inside Cognidom and how to make a call and how Cognidom process each call and it sends the data back to your CRM. So let's see this on screen. This is your screen. Here, the first thing that you have to do is to log in. Whenever you will try to make a call, it will ask you to log in. So we'll log in with Google. After login, you will be able to make test call. Of course, when you will be making a call, it will give you a call from Cognidom and you can experience the voice and everything. If you want to create an agent for yourself, you have to go to dashboard. Click on dashboard. In the dashboard, you see multiple options. Here you can view agent, you can view phone numbers. The first thing that you have to do is to create an agent. Click on create an agent. Here we will be creating a virtual employee for your business based on the goal that you have, the sector you belong to. So for example, we are into healthcare. We'll select healthcare sector. And then the goal of this agent is to book appointment. So the goal is to book an appointment. On this page, you have to select what data the agent will collect from customer. So data, I will ask the customer name of the customer. Here you have to put the description of the field that you want to collect. Another one is appointment time, when he wants to visit or wants to see the doctor. City, the city of the customer. These are the three fields I want my agent to ask whenever he makes a call. I'll click on continue. Here I will have to put a detailed context that we are going to skip in this video, but you have to write everything about the agent, what it has to do, how it has to treat the customer and everything. Right now I'm just skipping it. We'll share the context and the prompt later. We'll click on continue, and then this is the page where you name your agent. So this agent is Amir. Here you have to select a voice. You can play the voice to understand what kind of voice you want. For example, I am selecting this voice and will create an agent. So this agent has been created successfully. Now we will go to dashboard. This is your dashboard, and here we'll be putting the number to make the call. So this is the number that we are calling, and we click on next. Here we will be selecting the from number. In our case, this is Cognidom demo number, and this is the agent that we just created. So select this agent, make the call. The call will be initiated. You will get a pop-up here, and here in call logs, you'll be able to see. In call logs, you can see the call has been initiated, and here we have received the call. Let's have the conversation. Hello. Okay. I'm looking to meet Dr. Vijay today.
Thank you for letting me know. To help me find an available slot with Dr. Vikas, could you please tell me if you are a new or existing patient, and if you have any preferred dates or time in mind?
I'm an existing patient, and I would like to book an appointment tomorrow, 5 p.m.
Thank you for that information. So you're an existing patient looking to book an appointment with Dr. Vikas for tomorrow at 5 p.m. I will check the availability for that specific time.
Yeah, perfect.
Thank you. I'm just checking the schedule for Dr. Vikas for tomorrow at 5 p.m. While I do that, do you have any alternative times or dates in mind, just in case that specific slot is not available?
Tomorrow, 5 p.m. or any time after that.
Thank you for clarifying. I will check for availability with Dr. Vikas tomorrow at 5 p.m. or any time after that. Please bear with me for a moment while I look into this for you.
All right, thank you. So I'll of course disconnect the call. Within a few minutes, this call will be analyzed by our AI, and here you can see the call status is initiated. Within just 1 minute, this status will be updated as completed. So as you can see, this call has been completed, and when you click here, you will be able to see all the analysis of this call. So if I click here, if I just refresh this page, it will be giving an analysis of this call. So here is the analysis of this call. This was completed, and the duration was almost 2 minutes. And here is the appointment time that the customer has requested tomorrow 5 p.m. And if we click on full detail, of this call, you'll be able to see the score of this call. The lead score is 85. That shows very high intent. It is very aligned to the goal. Remember, the goal of this agent was to create an appointment, and this call was exactly about that. So we have a high alignment score. This is the tag the customer has requested for appointment. If the customer had requested for location or anything else, it would have added those fields. This is the information that it has extracted. These all information will be extracted here. If the customer has given his city, that city will be populated here. And this is the entire conversation. So of course, you don't have to go through the entire conversation. You just have to see the log and you'll be able to understand which type of call it is. You can make a filter about it. All calls with a lead score of above 70 are good. That means this out of these 3 calls, this call is the best one. So you can filter those calls and do the manual call and manual follow-ups and employ your sales people to make a follow-up on those calls. You can do anything. And if you want to get all this data in a webhook, whenever a call is completed, you want the data of this entire conversation on your webhook, you can set up a webhook here. This is your webhook, where if you put your webhook, all this conversation, all this information will be sent to that webhook, and you will be able to update that in your CRM or whatever software that you are using. So this is how a call is made and how the process is. Let us know if you need any other help. Thank you.